Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. So guys, in order for you to proceed with this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go for the settings into your iPhone. And now once you are here, you could just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here wallpaper. Go ahead and select wallpaper, and now from here, as you can see, this is my default wallpaper. In order for you to add a new one, you will have an option add new wallpaper or select swipe, and you should be able to select plus icon. Now guys, over here, you should be able to have multiple categories like photos, Photoshop full, live photo, emoji, color, astronomy, and weather. Pretty much these are the categories that are available. And guys, if you scroll down, as you can see, you should be able to browse through each one of them, as you can see right over here. And pretty much you could just simply go ahead and select one that you prefer, and after that, you can just simply go for it. And pretty much you could customize it over here when it comes to the time, when it comes to the date, and you could also add widget and pretty much everything that you will have into your home screen or wallpaper. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.